In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Canva on mobile. If you want to create social media graphics, flyers, or even simple presentations right from your phone, Canva makes it possible without needing a desktop. The key is understanding how the mobile app is designed to work. Instead of clicking with a mouse, you'll be using taps, holds, drags, and pinch style gestures. So once you get comfortable with that, designing on your phone becomes much easier and much faster. Start by opening the Canva app from your phone's home screen. If you prefer, you can also use Canva in your mobile browser. Once Canva opens and you're on the main home screen, look for the plus button near the bottom center of the screen and tap it. This is where you begin creating a new design. Next, choose the size or format for your project. Canva will show you a list of preset options you can scroll through. Pick the one that best matches what you want to create, such as an Instagram post in portrait format or a story layout for vertical content. As soon as you select a format, Canva will open a blank canvas and take you into the editor. Now it's time to add graphics. Tap the purple plus button at the bottom left to open the content menu, then choose Elements. At the top, you'll see a search bar where you can type keywords related to the style or theme you want. After you find an asset you like, press and hold it, drag it onto your canvas, and then release. Canva will place it onto the design and highlight it so you can begin adjusting it. To add text, go back to the same menu and tap Text, then choose Add a Text Box. Double tap inside the text box so your phone's keyboard appears and type your headline or message. Along the bottom, Canva will show formatting controls. From there, you can change the font, adjust styling, and resize the text using the corner handles. Try to choose fonts that are clean and easy to read, especially if your design will be viewed on smaller screens. If your design has several overlapping items, you can organize them using the Layers option in the bottom toolbar. Tap Layers, then press and hold any layer to move it up or down. This helps you control which items appear in front and which stay behind. Before exporting, do a quick alignment check by moving objects slightly and watching for Canva's guidelines. These help snap your elements into place and keep the layout balanced. When everything looks good, tap Share in the top right, choose Download, set the file type to PNG, and tap Download again, and that's it. Your finished design will be saved to your phone, ready to post, share, or use wherever you need it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.